Cell City by Sam and Michael. Recycling plants like a lysosome. As we can see, it recycles that stuff and smashes it down. And now I'll throw this bucket of water, can, just a regular can, into the can's only recycling bin.
Also a bucket of soup.
Also that, but it's a can. That's what a lysosome looks like in real life. And lysosomes are in cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells containing degradative enzymes enclosed in a membrane-bound structure.
The nuclear power plant is like the mitochondria. Look at all that nuclear waste.
There's a lot of it.
This is what a real mitochondria looks like. Found in large numbers in most cells in which the biochemical process of respiration and energy production occur.
This is the meat packing plant, and it's just like a good old Golgi body. Look at that meat. Get me some cold cuts. Woo! 44, that's me! Get some cold cuts. Get some cold cuts. That's what it looks like in real life, if you saw it under a microscope. There's a complex of vesicles and folded membranes within the cytoplasm of most eukaryotic cells involved in secretion and intermolecular transportation.
Warehouse is like the small vacuole. As you can see inside, there are many shelves with chests on them. The chests represent the storage packets within the small vacuole. But sadly, there is nothing in the chests. This is what a real vacuole looks like. It's pretty big in a plant cell. Within the cytoplasm of a cell, enclosed by a membrane and typically containing fluids.
There's cheese factories like the ribosome. Here you can see these big vats of cheese and this little water machine that puts cheese in water and lets the cheese be in the water. And while we climb up this ladder, we'll talk about how it makes protein in the cell. And as you can see, all this cheese that's pretty much protein. So if you're a protein freak, probably eat cheese and meat. I kind of like cheese and meat. This is the boss's house where it tells the cheese what to do and the workers. Some of this cheese is magic and it works. But that's what our ribosome looks like in real life. Nothing like cheese. And it's a lot of RNA and associated proteins found in this large numbers. But I can't read it all.
The cell wall is like the city wall.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
And it's pretty nice, but that's what it looks like.
Membrane surrounding the cytoplasm of a cell.
Pretty much tells what goes in and out of the place. Now this is a large vacuole, I know it's spelled wrong, but we compare it to an aquifer because it just like holds all that water in the plant cell. It holds it good. And that's what it looks like, almost exactly like our good old small vacuole. And it's the same exact definition with the vesicles and cytoplasm cell membrane and typically containing fluids.
The solar panels are like the chloroplast.
And you see, turn it on and off at night. How creative me.
And that's what real chloroplast looks like.
Kind of looks like Emerald City. And it just has chlorophyll and everything that helps to create
the photosynthesis.
Yes, exactly.
The cell wall is like the city wall. As you can see, it's pretty nice. It's got barbed wire and it's really long and really high to protect the city.
That's what she said.
That's what a real cell wall looks like.
It's a rated layer of polysaccharide laying the outside of the plasma membrane of the cells, and it's just like a rock and it holds the structure. This is our good old courthouse, and it's just like our nucleus. It's humongous! Look at how big it is. It took me like 4 hours to make that thing. But we use it so much stuff, and it holds that DNA. And that's what it really looks like. There's a nucleosis. And this is the most important part of an object. movement, or group forming the basics for its activity and growth in that good old cell. And all that grass you saw was our cytoplasm. And that's what our cytoplasm is. It's just a gelatin-like material that helps everything move around on the inside of the cell. It's pretty much the air of the cell with the grass on the ground. Thank you for watching. Sam and Michael.
Thank you.
Oh, crap.